have a tradition here. It probably started in we think the early 1900s. We can't tell you exactly when it started. But what happens at all of our weddings is we have a special dance. All the gentlemen, if you guys could come out in the center, please. I want all of you to take your jackets and turn them inside out. Now I want you to roll your pants up. There is a tradition here in the McAllister family that we have a song that we play. It's called In Your Easter Bonnet. You might have remembered it during your childhood days when you were looking for eggs or with your family on those special Sundays. We don't know why they picked this song, but I'm gonna start. I'm gonna get my my jacket and my pants pulled up, and I'm gonna be the person to start this. Probably the best way to call it is a conga line. And then I will show you how you dance to the McAllister hat dance or the In Your Easter Bonnet dance. And of course, Cam, the groom always has a veil on. And at least at my wedding, I had that veil on a very, very long time. So, let me get my jacket.
Are we ready, gentlemen? Here we go.
In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it, you'll be the grandest lady in the Easter parade. I'll be all in clover, and when they look you over, I'll be the proudest fella in the Easter parade. On the avenue, Fifth Avenue, the photographers will snap us, and you'll find that you're in the rotogravure. I could write a sonnet about your Easter bonnet and of the girl I'm taking to the Easter parade. Fifth Avenue, the photographers will snap us, and you'll find that you're in the rotogravure.